Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, ex-Cyclone Pam still has cyclone strength winds though, and it is passing very close to East Cape as we record this. Here's our satellite map for Monday morning. This big area in here, the gouged out part of the clouds, that's the centre of the low. And the difference between when it was up in the tropics to where it is now, it no longer has that perfect eye in the middle, you know, the clear bit in the middle. This is now huge because all the clouds have been sort of torn apart from it, and it's no longer the same beast that it was in the tropics. But in saying that, it's still packing a punch. The good news is it is passing, skimming along the northeast of the country. It narrowly missed Auckland. Great Barrier Island got 144 km/h wind gusts early this morning, but the city itself didn't. So it was a very, very close call for Auckland and Northland, but we're very pleased that it missed us just out to the east there. Here's our wind maps. Now let's take a look at this. I just want to move sides. Here is the storm coming through on Monday morning. Now look at this. This belt of winds in here, that's the damaging strong stuff that came through across Monday and will continue to move around the East Cape area as we go through the day. Only a very, very small part of the country affected by this very damaging area of wind. In fact, as I said to someone this morning, you know, it's about 3 or 4 days build up to what might only be a few hours of damaging winds. And a lot of the public don't quite understand that. Most of the weather all around the edges of this isn't severe. It's just this part in here around the middle of the centre of that low. So that's why out here, just a little bit further to the west, not much, very calm. And as the winds change direction to southeast, that's why it calmed down a lot for northern areas last night. The ranges all around here, Gisborne, Hawke's Bay, Kaimais, all of those helped to lessen the winds around the Auckland area in the city. But like I say, the centre itself narrowly brushed the Great Barrier Island there. So let's take a look now at how it's rain and winds looking for the rest of Monday. It's pushing through the East Cape area. The centre is not going to make landfall. It's going to drift away to the east as we predicted last week, but the winds are still going to howl through East Cape, Gisborne area across Monday afternoon, and then it starts to ease towards tonight. Now as we go through to Tuesday, the low out here, it's going to be stormy for the Chatham Islands. Very dangerous swells pushing into our east coast, not only of the North Island but also the south. There'll be a few showers in the mix, and 1 or 2 of these showers across Tuesday could be heavy for northern areas around, say, Auckland and Northland. Big screen now for Wednesday, and here's the storm off to our southeast, well away from us. High pressure rolling on in. Southerlies will blow through across the country, bringing in a few showers to our dry drought areas. That is some good news, thanks to Pam helping to do that. And our final map here for Thursday shows high pressure coming in and things easing down. Still very, very rough out here. The Chatham Islands, very stormy. Rough seas pushing back in. That doesn't change. So it's going to be a bit rough for eastern areas. Not a week to go swimming, not a week to go fishing. And I saw even some of the expert surfers are saying, be careful with this stuff. Don't go out on it for the next couple of days until it's calmed down. One last thing before I go. The tropics are firing up again. There's likely to be another storm forming up here in the next next week or so. At this stage, all the modelling looks like it's going to be well east of New Zealand. Just wanted to raise that now for you. So that's all for me for today. This video was brought to you from our country TV studio, so thank you to them on Sky Channel 81. For those who are interested, it's a 10-minute long forecast that we do, pointing right out past the west of Australia there. Otherwise, we'll be back in touch on Wednesday with our next update.